Hi everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick with your political news roundup for Thursday, June 13th. The Supreme Court had bad news today for biotech companies looking to cash in on human genetics. The High Court ruled unanimously that human genes cannot be patented. Justice Clarence Thomas, who wrote the opinion, said merely isolating certain human genes was not worthy of a patent. In the case involving a company known as Myriad Genetics, Justice Thomas also said that a synthetic form of DNA created by Myriad based on its research was deserving of patent protection. The Civil Liberties Union praised the ruling. It said it will give patients greater access to genetic testing and give scientists the ability to do gene research without fear of being sued. On Capitol Hill, the Senate turned back an amendment that could have significantly changed the immigration reform bill now under debate. Senators voted 57-43 to reject an amendment from a group of Republicans. It would have required the Department of Homeland Security to maintain control of the U.S.-Mexico border for 6 months before anyone in the country illegally was eligible for legal status. Leaders were hoping to get the bill through the Senate before the Independence Day recess. Majority Leader Harry Reid said lawmakers might have to work through next weekend to make that deadline. The focus of the domestic surveillance debate is back on Capitol Hill. National Security Agency leader General Keith Alexander went before a Senate committee. He faced questions about the phone and electronic communications data gathering. Some members of the committee questioned how forthcoming administration officials have been about the scope of those programs. Meanwhile, Kentucky Senator Rand Paul sponsored a bill aimed at curbing the NSA's ability to search phone records. And the death toll from the 2.5-year-old citizen uprising in Syria is reaching enormous proportions. A new United Nations report says nearly 93,000 people were killed between the start of the conflict in March 2011 and May 1st of this year. The UN says deaths are now occurring at an average of 5,000 per month, which means the total is probably more than 100,000 now. The study does not say whether government forces of dictator Bashar al-Assad or the rebel forces are responsible for more of the deaths, but does say both sides have contributed. That's your political news roundup for Thursday, June 13th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for the latest political, economic, and stock market news from around the world all day long.